Hi everyone, I'm Ofa Lango and welcome you all in Grammar in Detail. If you are new and not subscribe the channel, so subscribe the channel and press the bell icon to get some more videos about grammar. Today we have got the fifth kind of definite pronoun that is known as relative pronouns. So let's discuss what are the relative pronouns. Those pronouns, definition for the relative pronouns, those pronouns which join two clauses and work as a conjunction are called relative pronouns. See, those pronouns which join two clauses. And what is clause? Group of words which has a subject and predicate. Sometimes it gives clear and complete meaning, sometimes it does not give clear and complete meaning is called clause. So those pronouns which join two clauses and work as a conjunction. Now see, conjunction is one of the parts of speech and it is known as a conjunction is a word which joins two words, two phrases, two clauses and two sentences. It joins two words I and you. In the same way, it joins two phrases take it or leave it. It joins two clauses if you work hard you will pass the test. And it joins two sentences I am a teacher and you are a student. So it is joining here two sentences. So it joins two words, two sentences, two clauses and two phrases. One thing should be in your mind, conjunction is to join two clauses, and here your some of the relative pronouns work as conjunction to join two clauses. Now how, what are those? They are three: who, whom and which. They work as your relative pronouns. Relative means, the word relative itself means to have relation with. It joins two clauses and it is equal to the conjunction that. They all are equal to conjunction that. Keep in your mind, when you bring them at the beginning of sentence, they are called interrogative pronouns. When you put ever with them to bring them at the beginning, they are called emphatic interrogative pronouns. But when you bring them in between to join two clauses, then they are called relative pronouns. What are relative pronouns? Who, whom and which will be working as that. That is a conjunction and you will be using them as relative pronouns. The examples we will look here, who, whom and which, they three are equal to that. Now if I say he is the boy who took first position, and their definition will be the same. Who is used for person as a subject, whom is used for person as an object, and which is used for animals and things which are from limited number. He is the boy who took first position. Here it is joining two clauses. See, that clause is called the noun clause. When we will start the clauses, there I will make you understand. But for here you need to just understand what the relative pronouns are. So relative pronoun who is used as a subject to join two clauses. He is the boy means we are talking about he who took first position, and it is equal to what? He is the boy that took first position. Both are correct. Now she is the girl whom you met yesterday. Now we are talking about the girl as an object. You will be joining them. You met yesterday, and she is the girl that you met yesterday. After that we have got it is the book which is quite difficult. It is the book that is quite difficult. Now it is the book quite difficult is quite difficult. She is the girl you met yesterday. He is the boy took first position is joined with the word that, and your relative pronouns also work as conjunction that. Like he is the boy is related with the took first position by wh word who. In the same way, she is the girl related with you met yesterday joined with the help of wh word whom as an object, first one as a subject, and it is the book which is quite difficult is joined by the word which to join two sentences and clauses. So those words which are used as relative pronouns to join two clauses are known as the relative pronouns. And what is difference between he is the boy who took first position and he is the boy that took first position? Keep in your mind, who, whom and which are used in your written English, and in the same way that is used in spoken English. And one thing else I will add in your knowledge, sometimes you will see them in written, then don't say that I had taught you people that it is only used in spoken and written. In written we use formal way to write, and in spoken if we use that, no matter. But one thing else, let me tell you people, if you use them in a written, then this is called the formal way to write. And if you want to use this uh, that will be called the informal way to write. You can use them in your writing style, but that will be informal way to write. So that should be in your mind. Two differences I told you: written and spoken English. If you want to write, then it will be a formal English and it will be an informal English. So these are the words which I made you understand. Hope you got today's lecture. Wish you best of luck. See you next time with next lecture. Goodbye.